Southeast. Just showing you this Land Rover Discovery. We've done the B Series StarLine alarm system. We've done the full package with remote start, and we've done something a little bit extra. We've managed to replace the customer's car key, and he can just use a tag, a smartphone or a smartwatch. As long as he's got the watch, a phone or the tag on him, he can lock and unlock and start his vehicle and use it as normal. So how we've achieved this is the StarLine alarm system has built-in iKey cloning technology, and what this does is it makes a digital copy of your car key, keeps it secured and locked away within the encryption of the StarLine alarm system, so it's actually more secure than your car key. It can't be hacked or cloned or copied. There's just no way you can get past it. In fact, StarLine offer a huge reward on their website if anybody can hack their system. That's still active. It's been there for over 10 years and no one's managed to do it. So I'll just give you a quick load down. So the button on the tag, or you can use it hands-free, just walk up and the vehicle unlocks itself. So you can just lock the car with a tag. You walk back up with hands-free and it'll unlock, but I'll just show you. Unlock the car. You get in the car, foot on your brake and start it off, and off you drive. Simple as that. Once you're done with the car, you just lock it up again using the tag. Off you've got hands-free on, you just walk away. Remote start from the original car key, 3 times locking. 1, 2, 3. Turn it off exactly the same way, 3 times locking. Remote start direct from the app, either via Bluetooth or GSM, anywhere in the world. You can start the car using voice control, using Siri or OK Google. Hey Siri, start my car. You can also do other voice controls, as in turn your engine off, lock and unlock the car. So you just say, hey Siri, unlock my car. And then disarms and opens the vehicle. And then you can arm it exactly the same way. So hey Siri, lock my car. And it locks and arms it.